Welcome to Ace Attorney Theater. Today we have a crazy courtroom drama like no other. It's a tale that could have happened sometime, somewhere, but certainly not in our world. How does it differ from our usual crazy trials, you ask? Oh, I'm afraid I don't know. All I do know is don't take this too seriously. Just relax and enjoy the ride. Now, it's asinine attorney time.
Court is now in session for the trial of Phoenix Wright. Is the defense ready? Yes, indeed, Your Honor. I've been ready for ages now. Very good, very good. Aren't you Phoenix Wright? Huh? Your Honor, I'm the defense attorney of this case, Mr. Wrong. I believe there's been a misunderstanding, Your Honor. I'm Phoenix Wrong, prosecutor at law. Well, this is quite interesting, isn't it? Well, I thrive on ambiguity.
Oh, really? Is that so, Your Majesty?
Who the hell are you? Hey, hold on a second, Your Honor. Let's consider the facts of the case at hand. What facts? You see, this man is an advanced swordsman. I believe logic and deduction shine light upon the true identity of this person. I know who this man is. Do tell. This samurai is none other than Phoenix Wright, the $6 million man, the defense attorney, the ace attorney.
Who do you think you are?
Order. I believe the true defense attorney, Mr. Phoenix Wright, should come forward.
Hold it!
So sorry to intrude, Your Honor. I have to say, aren't you Phoenix Wright? Very funny, sir. I'm simply the judge of this case. Nothing more, nothing less.
Your Honor, does this mean you don't have a name?
Sorry I'm late, fellas. I just had this crazy awesome date with my hot girlfriend. Her name is Charlie. Charlie the plant.
This is why I didn't do drugs in college. What in the name of... Bailiff, please increase security of the courthouse. I don't want any additional weirdos to enter my fine courtroom. I'm on it. Your Honor, if I may, I believe we should cross-examine the first witness. Well, Mr. Wrong, I'm afraid the court has yet to identify the defendant of this case. Or who Mr. Phoenix Wright is, for that matter. Man, it's crazy that this gavel holder can't get his story straight. Oh hey, it's Billy! Billy, you remember me? You bet, Phoenix. Good to see you here. I heard you were going to be tried today. Wait a minute, did you say...
Phoenix?
Yeah, this is, Mr. Phoenix Wright here. He's a good friend of mine from college. Good thing you stopped wearing that sweater, man. What are you talking about exactly?
Oh, did it look like this?
It did. It's... Oh. Your Honor, now's a good time to use that gavel you... Damn it. I think you have me mistaken for that man over there, the one in the colorful sweatshirt. I've never seen that guy before in my life, man. No way, it ain't him. He doesn't look very inviting to me. He's quite an oddball, that guy. Yeah. You seriously thought I wore something like that in the past, Billy?
You guys are incredibly rude, you know that? I don't tolerate this kind of misbehavior in a court of law. You should know better.
Didn't you mention that you're dating a plant a moment ago?
Yeah, she's great.
So, Mr. Judge, you must be quite tired today.
Hey, leave that poor man alone.
What? He's no better than the rest of us.
He governs the law. He serves to protect it.
Oh, come on. It's not that serious.
It's very serious. It's mighty serious. If you try anything fancy, I see no reason to resist drawing my blade upon you.
Whoa, hey, we're just trying to entertain ourselves here. Yeah, what he said.
What did you say?
I said, yeah, what he said.
You are mocking his honor?
No, that's not what he said. Oh, for crying out loud.
You the man with the tiger print.
Are you talking to me, pirate?
Your coat is smoother than the carpet I cut with this sword. I'd like to discuss your distaste for his honor.
You want to pick a fight with me, is that it?
I have no choice but to battle you right now!
IKG doesn't have the budget for an anime battle. Knock it out, you two. Hey, you and I should work together and get this trial back on track. Oh, screw you, Mr. Wrong. Got my own agenda. What the is going on here? What the hell did you do to him? Nothing. I just threw a Deku nut at his head. A Deku nut? Are you deranged? What do you think you're doing there, man? That is not cool at all.
Give me the judge's seat. I want the power for myself. I am the usurper king! I will defeat you with my roar! Oh, you think you can dodge my blade?
Maybe I should have done drugs in college. Who is Phoenix Wright?
Oh, I want to sit in the judge's seat. Pretty please?
Mr. Wrong, help me out. I don't know what to do. Duck? Oh, okay. Quack.
The power is mine! Lady Justice is mine!
Your Honor. You think I'm going down that easily? Be gone, dude. Anyways, it's now time for our first witness. Mr. Wright, will you please take the stand? Actually, Your Honor, I think we should take a brief recess. Yeah, not a bad idea, actually. A recess it is. Your Honor, I've got several questions for you. Huh? Okay, shoot. Do you have any files about the case? I mean, you must have some documentation. We can figure out who the defense attorney is from that. I'll answer your question with a question. Do you have any documentation on this case? Huh? No, I don't. Look, it's fine. I just need to pass the time as is. We'll get through this trial and maybe learn a thing or two. I see. Are you certain that we can learn something from this chaos? Absolutely. All right. I hope I haven't offended you during this process. Oh, not at all. You're wise to try and make sense of all the madness. More courageous than I'll ever be. Well, that actually brings me to one final question. Sure thing. Are you Phoenix Wright? That is quite the inquiry. I knew it. You're the legendary defense attorney. Keep your voice down. It's not for anybody to know, you get me? Understood, Your Honor. Your secret is safe with me. All right, everyone get back to your stations. I hope I can identify the true Mr. Phoenix Wright. Court will now reconvene. I hope we can make some actual progress. Well, let's get right to it then.
Wait, look at him!
You really ought to put that blade away before someone gets hurt. It's warranted given your behavior. I know who you are, by the way, so you better keep that blade tucked away. Oh? Who am I then? Naruhodo Ryoichi, of course. What? How did you...
I just know. This means that you aren't Phoenix Wright, so all is well. Isn't that just Phoenix Wright in Japan?
Hey, you see what I'm talking about, right?
No, not at all.
That man in the tiger outfit is really good looking. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to Charlie.
Oh, do you have something relevant to say, Pink One?
Yes, I've fallen in love all over again.
Wow. So about Phoenix Wright...
Hold it! I am here to bequeath the high order of the Union upon thee.
Are you talking to me?
You have violated Order E597. There must be at least 2 2D characters in every production, and thus the Union has summoned a replacement.
What? That's ridiculous!
We're trying to figure out who's Phoenix Wright, sir. None of this buffoonery, please.
It is because the previous 2D character was vaporized out of existence that I stand before you today, and it is now in which I will state my grievances with the court. The Union displays such rules because all characters, 2D or 3D, must receive equal pay, equal rights, equal representation.
So, you're going to challenge my court with this when we already have 3D models outnumbering 2D sprites? How are only a couple 2D characters going to fix that?
Oh heavens! You are such a naive fool! Look at me! I am Phoenix Wright! I embody the design of the classic character, but I am a 3D model, you see!
But I did the very same thing! And before you did! I know your story, old man.
You weren't even sculpted by Capcom, you fool!
Well, at least my game was dumped onto cartridges in the West. What's gonna happen to your game when the servers are shut down in the United States, huh?
Okay. Well, you have quite the mouth, don't you? Let's see if your tastes can match that, Admit that your eyes are painted on!
Well, that's true, but at least I don't have a jaw the size of Mount Rushmore.
At least my badge is modeled!
Okay, and your suit makes you look like a gorilla. Well, they're not looking for any Donkey Kong actors.
Oh, you little
Knock it off, both of you.
Then let me now introduce the replacement in accordance with Order E597, Mr. Linux Trite.
You know, back in my day, we didn't have these darn 3D models running around. They keep taking our jobs.
That's a statement.
Like my old buddy Jerry. He was the old union representative. Those were the good old days, the simpler times. I can remember it like it was just yesterday.
エジオス、あなたはセクシー。
I've had it with these 3D models taking our jobs. It's hard enough to find work as a 2D sprite these days, you know? That's why we need the union orders.
With all due respect, Mr. Trite, this is seriously getting in the way of the issue at hand.
Oh, no, on the contrary, you've already solved this little charade. I've informed thy court before I am Phoenix Wright, and there will be no objections about it.
You know, I like this fella. He may be 3D, but he embodies the ideas of the good old days.
Whatever that's supposed to mean.
Shouldn't we get back to the matter at hand?
Since when did you care about this trial? There's a detective-looking fella standing by the door. Maybe we should invite him to the stand. Yeah, he may know the true identity of Phoenix Wright.
I told thy court, I am Phoenix Wright.
Nobody believes you. Shut up. All right, let's hear it from the detective. Excuse me, sir. Would you please introduce yourself to the court?
In justice we trust! I'm the detective in charge of this case. My name is Cryonics Wrightol.
So you're not Phoenix Wright either, eh? I find your presence to be intriguing. Would you care to explain? Wait! I see it too!
What is the meaning of this? We were supposed to discuss what the union requires of this court.
Phew, it was stuffy in there. Anyways... Holy... Oh my lord! What the f***?
No! My tiger! My love! My life!
Someone call an ambulance!
These are dark times, where the law has been reduced.
Someone call an ambulance!
Time for me to return to my planet. This is out of control. I can't believe this! Ah, yes. Now that a 3D character has been killed, the court is no longer in violation of the E597 rule, as equity has been restored. Mr. Linux Trite, we are now leaving.
Ah, you're just like all of them, trying to take away a job.
Objection! The court is not compliant just yet, union representative.
Who dares to object to my brilliance? That would be me, Phoenix Wright!
Oh, for crying out loud.
I'm serious, Your Honor. I am who this court has been looking for. You have no proof? No, sir. I have proof.
Really? That's great news! Please share your evidence with the court.
This is preposterous! Listen up, folks. Here's the proof. Phoenix Wright is a character used in Ace Attorney, The Shield of Justice, right?
Why, of course.
Well, which iteration of the character is used in the series? Me, Spirit of Justice Phoenix. And look at me. I'm a perfect evolution of all of you. No offense, of course.
Gah, you don't even have the same suit as the union representative.
He has the classic suit. But that's a design from the past. My suit is a total upgrade. Look at the shades of blue. These dyes are more expensive. Plus, who doesn't like a 3-piece suit?
He makes a fair point. He even has my locket. Even his badge is shinier.
Such insolence! All of you approve of this man being true Phoenix Wright?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, this may not have been the trial you've all been waiting for, but at least we know the true identity of me.
And that's all I have energy for today.
Just a moment, Your Honor. The man is yet to make a decision.
Who?
The defense attorney of this case.
Oh, I suppose you could say that I am.
Yes. You know, I've seen a lot of folks try to make sense of a bunch of nonsense in courts before, but you seem to be giving this your full attention. So I have a proposition for you.
I see. And what might that be?
You decide. You choose. Who is Phoenix Wright? It's up to you to decide. Who do you believe the true Phoenix Wright is?
Wait. What? Are you sure?
This is your moment, son. Go for it!
Okay. Well, I know just the thing I need in order to make my case. This is the Grand Grimoire, a book containing magical incantations that allow the user to cast several dangerous spells upon those who stand in their way.
You've really gone off the deep end now, haven't you?
I'm serious. This could help in deducing, well...
Where did you get that? Never mind, just don't overthink this, okay? Did you ever have an inkling as to who Phoenix Wright truly is during this entire charade? Is it me? Is it someone else?
Oh, well, I have more than an inkling as to who Phoenix Wright is. I know for a fact that Phoenix Wright spoke to me about his identity already today. I mean, the true identity of Phoenix Wright is...
Take that!
You, Spirit of Justice representative! You were telling the truth!
Hooray! You chose wisely!
And, how can you be sure?
It's the dice. Yeah. The dice.
Fair enough. Well, now that Phoenix Wright has been identified, I sentence him to death. He's been messing with the Ace Attorney timeline, and for that, he shall be executed for being a witch. I told you this book would come in handy.
No!